Hi students, how are you all? I hope everyone doing well. In this video, I'm not going to teach you, and I would like to tell you some important points about our further video classes. So that's why I started this video. And first one, install GeoMeet app in your phone if you still did not. And second thing, if still you did not buy your books, go along with your parent to school and buy your books. These are the two important things what we have to do firstly, because we are teaching and you are watching and learning, but without books you can't learn and you are not able to understand everything properly. So with the help of books you can gain complete knowledge, I mean full-fledged knowledge. Otherwise you just to be like that a half-minded student. So as a teacher, what I feel always, I don't want to make my students like that. And furtherly we are going to meet in GeoMeet app, and we are going to learn everything in that app. So that's why I would like to request one more thing to all 9th and 10th class students. Please, as possible as it is very easy task to do you. That's why please install GeoMeet app in your phone first. Then you have to buy. You must buy your books definitely. So without books, I already said you can't learn and you are not able to understand everything properly. And see why we are going to start classes in GeoMeet, because our Sudarshan sir suffered a lot, because as a teachers, according to sir's advices, orders and words, we are daily making videos and we are posting, I mean uploading videos in our group. But only few students are watching and learning and responding. Other students are not. Dear students, teachers are not only for particular and few students. Teachers for every students. Whatever we are making videos about, that's everyone. That's everyone, every student in the class. But everyone watching, I think, I'm strongly believing it, everyone watching. But when we are going to conduct a exam, you are not attending that. So that is the big problem with what we are doing a mistake. So that's why with that activity from you, sir suffered a lot. Sir took a decision, he wants to start classes in GeoMeet, because we are not understanding your progress. We are not understanding your work items. So are you doing homeworks or classworks? We are not understanding those things properly. That's why sir wants to start online classes in GeoMeet. So that's why please install, once again I would like to remind that install GeoMeet app in your phone. And also one more thing, buy your books. So that is, these two things are very important. And so we are not for few students, we are for every students who are being in the class 9th and class 10th. So that's why we are going to start classes in GeoMeet, and furtherly we are meeting in that GeoMeet app. So that is sure, and sir is planning now. So definitely it will be possible and it will be start in 4-5 days. So wait for all these days. And and one more thing, I asked you through the message in our group, you are not at all taking responsibility about yourself. That is not correct. So if we stop to do videos, if we stop to teach you, definitely you will learn something. So sir, our Sudarshan sir is not expecting that happen in yours. So sir always struggling, and sir always giving instructions, advices to his teachers, I mean like me, and he's pushing us to make videos and uploading them. So sir is struggling a lot, and we are also taking a responsibility. And why you are not taking responsibility about yourself, we are not understanding. So you are watching videos, what's your problem to attend and write tests? Because through the examinations we can definitely understand where is the student in his studies. So it is only possible to analyze through the exams. So that's why we are conducting frequently tests, and you are not attending. So that thing from you making a lot of disturbance from for us. That's why we are not happy with that activity by you. And other students who are performing and who are attending, definitely I'm sure we are very happy with you students. So thanks for that to happen. And so this is what I would like to tell you. So dear students, at least from onwards, don't do that mistake again. At least what we are going to start in GeoMeet, you just attend every class and you learn something. Definitely that will help you in your future one day. And already I said you, education field only will give us good and respectable future in the future. And other fields, without education also, number of students who are being around ourselves are doing number of works, but that's not our idea to do that. We have to do something great in our life, so that only possible only through the education. So if you learn education properly, only you can definitely do that all things in your life. So I think everyone kept some dream in their life. So if you want to make that true, and if you want to achieve that dream what you kept in your mind, definitely you need good studies. So, and proper studies and full-fledged knowledge. Otherwise, if with the half-minded you can't do anything. So I'm requesting to all dear students, please attend every class and please attend every examination and give your best to your teachers. Okay, so very soon we are going to meet in GeoMeet. So please, one more time I would like to repeat, install GeoMeet app and buy your books. So next 3-4 days later we are going to meet in GeoMeet. Until then, everyone, keep smiling and don't stop to learning. I mean, keep learning. Okay, thanks for watching this video. We'll meet again in our GeoMeet online class. Until then, everyone, keep smiling. Thanks for watching this video once again.